Toasters.
Dinner.
Nice.
Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Yo, Happy New Year, Sonic Family Squad. How's it going today? Before we get started, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on whenever I upload new videos. So today, we're back with another unboxing video. So let's go ahead and let's do the sync here. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Alright, and after that, okay, there we go, we're synced here. So as you see here, I have a package, as you see here, right in front of me. So, so I have to blur out the barcode thing. So what we're going to do is, I have scissors right here, which I'm only using these for safety purposes only. So after that, let's go ahead, let's cut her open. Here we go. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to let you see it with the camera right there. Alright, let's cut her open. And let's see, let's reveal. In 3, 2, 1, let's reveal. Here we go. Oh. Sorry about that, squad. Alright, ready? Let's reveal in 3, 2, 1, let's reveal. Wow, check it out, squad. Check it out. We got a little docking station, which it has USBs right there, and that's for SD card, TF card right here. As you see, I mean, that's not bad for that. I mean, I love it. I love this. Pretty cool. It's here. All right, so that, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to leave a comment below if you enjoyed this. Alright, so anyways, that's going to do it for this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button right there. Hit that subscribe button. And turn on your post notifications. And that's going to do it for this video. Until for next time, I will see you all in the next video. Until for next time, peace out. Peace.